Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be telling you the stuff you need to know about the simulation check, the 1200 simulation check. It's on its way, so stay tuned. I'm gonna be clearing up everything, all the news you need to know about this check and when can you expect it. Let's get right into the video, guys. Alright, into the video, guys. Let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you want more videos like this. My name is Alonso, and if you're into financial stuff, investing, all those good stuff, entrepreneurship, and knowing how to save money for you, this is a channel for you. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn that bell notification so you can be informed whenever I post a new video. Alright guys, let's get right into the video. This is exciting news, quick video for you guys. Make sure to like it. Let's get into it. And guys, oh boy, the moment we all been waiting for, the simulation check, it's on its way. The IRS just released the news. It's out. We just confirmed. They're confirming that by Wednesday we might have that money. Hopefully we do, because I don't want to be waiting no more. Remember guys, use that money wisely. And let's get into the details. Okay, so the IRS already let us know that the simulation check, we can expect it by Wednesday if you put direct deposit in your tax when filing your tax 2018 or 2019 return. The 2019 return, if you file them, they will be based on that one. If you haven't, they will check 2018 results, the payment method, the one you put in 2018. So if you did your 2019 and you said direct deposit, it's possible that you can receive it this Wednesday. And if you didn't and you put another form of payment, that's the mailing payment, you can expect in a month or more. So that's a downside. If you put direct deposit, you can expect in your bank account as soon as Wednesday. Like I said, other people can wait weeks or months if they're waiting for a paper check in their mailbox, because it has to be shipped, it has to be printed, and it's massively consuming way more time than direct deposit. Instant deposit beats mailing and printing checks all day. The Treasury are gonna let the banks know to send the money to the correct accounts. Paper checks are gonna be starting delivering in early May. On Monday, the IRS is gonna be processing the payment. And also on Friday, the IRS is proudly informing that they're gonna launch an application called Get My Payment. That's what it's called, Get My Payment. That will allow people to set a direct deposit when they fill 2018, 2019 tax if they have it. So it's a form for you to add direct deposit if you don't want to wait for the mail check. So it's a great way for you to get that instant deposit right away. An estimated of 100 million people do not have direct deposit. So if you don't want to wait a few months or a few weeks, please get in the Get My Payment. What is it called? Get My Payment, I think. Get My Payment, set out direct deposit, get that money right now. A quick reminder guys, unfortunately you do not qualify if you don't have a social security number. I know it sucks for all the Latinos like me, but fortunately I do have a social security number, but it really sucks for other people who don't and still file their taxes. So if you have that question, I'm just throwing it out there. If you have your social security number, you do qualify. If you don't and you still file your taxes, you're not eligible for it. I know it sucks, but I have another video explaining if you guys qualify. Check that out. I'm gonna leave it down in the description. And I do have another video guys to know how much you're gonna get or if you qualify. I don't want to get in depth in this video on if you qualify or not. I have a specific video about that topic, so go watch it, and I will also leave the link to the description for that. And guys, so let's hope that you get your check as soon as this Wednesday if you had the direct deposit set up in your 2019 tax return. Great. If you didn't, well, it kind of sucks. So guys, I hope this video was useful, and remember guys, that simulation check is for emergencies due to the crisis we're going through. So make sure to save that money, make sure to invest it if you can invest it. If you need it, use it first. Prioritize your money before investing it. Do you really need it in the long term, in the short term? Make a decision if what to do with that money. But don't spend it on stuff that you don't need. Make sure you use that money to get you through this recession, through this crisis, through this illness, because nobody knows when it's gonna end. Hopefully soon. No one knows if it's gonna get worse, if you still have a job, if you're gonna keep that job. We do not know. The stock market in our everyday life experience is completely crazy right now, so anything can happen at any moment. So make sure to get that check, make sure to use it wisely, and make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It helped me a lot. If you like, comment, and subscribe. More videos coming. If you are into financial stuff, entrepreneurship, investing, and all that good stuff, this is the YouTube channel for you. I have a lot of videos of my Robinhood portfolio and quick tips and tricks, tips on knowing how to invest and how I invest, so you can get started. A little push right there for you guys to encourage you to do the right thing. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am here to provide a little bit of knowledge that I have acquired by researching, reading, and all those good stuff right there. I'll put it out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.